Okay, here we are looking at the main ServiceDesk interface. You'll soon learn in Chapter 1 how to set up and get this on your screen. But what I really want to cover right now is the same point that is made in the very first chapter of your manual. And that point is that you don't have to do everything at once in ServiceDesk. You don't have to set up and learn everything all at the same time. In fact, we've purposely designed it so that you can take it in a simple, relatively easy step-by-step sequence, and we highly recommend that you do so. In fact, when you read that first section in the manual, which we really recommend that you do, it will suggest that you read through the first 4 chapters, all of which are introductory in character, and then skip immediately to Chapter 12, because Chapter 12 tells you specifically how to set up your learning process in a step-by-step mode. More specifically, it will tell you to go to this form, which you'll soon be learning about in more detail, click on Learning Steps, and begin here at Learning Step 1. And what this will do is make it so that things aren't quite so tied in, so that you're able realistically to do just the tasks that are involved that you learn to do in connection with this learning step, which happens to correspond with Chapter 5. Chapter 12 basically will suggest that you read Chapter 5 thoroughly and do this learning step for a few days until you move up to the next area of functionality and change it to this learning step and thoroughly read Chapter 6, and so on, working your way up through until you reach unrestricted functions, no limitations. That's basically what I wanted to explain to you, is because I forgot to in the main chapters, just the concept of doing it step by step. And I'd recommend doing each of these tutorial lessons as you're doing each of the steps in the series, unless you're really anxious and you could watch the tutorial all at once, and actually that might not be, watch all the tutorials, probably take you most of a day because there's quite a bit here, but that might not be such a bad idea, because that would give you a big overview type of understanding. Anyway, that's the concept, and welcome to the system. Thank you again for buying ServiceDesk. I hope you have a ball.